Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal series. Today we are discussing Bengaluru ROC Adjudication Order passed on the 17th June 2022 in the matter of the Great Stake Learning Private Limited for the violation of Section 117 of the Companies Act. Dear friend, company name is the Great Stake Learning Private Limited, having registered office at Bengaluru, Karnataka. And as per the section 117 subsection 1 of the Companies Act, a copy of the every resolution or agreement in respect of the matter as filed in subsection 3 together with the explanatory statement shall be filed with the registrar of the company within 30 days of the passing of the resolution. And in case of the defaults, as per the subsection 2 of the section 117 of the Companies Act, stipulate that if any company fails to file the resolution or the agreement under subsection 1 before the expiry of the specified period, then in that case company shall be liable to a penalty of the 10,000 rupees, and in case of the continuing failure with a further penalty of the 100 rupees for each day after the first during which such failure continues, subject to a maximum of the 2 lakh rupees. And every officer of the company who is in default, including liquidator of the company, if any, shall be liable to a penalty of 10,000 rupees, and in case of the continuing failure with a further penalty of 100 rupees for each day after first during which such failure continues, subject to a maximum of the 50,000 rupees. The company has submitted the adjudication application on 21st October 2021 with this office. It was noticed from the application that there was a 3 event for which the company has belatedly filed MJT 14. 2 events have occurred during the 2020 and 2021 respectively, which are detailed as under. In case of first resolution passed on the 18th December 2020, and due date of the filing of the form, that is 30 days, that is 16 January 2021, but there is a delay of the 101 days. And in second case, there is a delay of the 1 days. The company and its director were intimated for hearing by this adjudication notice, and authorized representative presented his submission. Further, it is noticed from the balance sheet of the company that as on the 31st March 2020, the paid up capital of the company is 7,34,550 and turnover is 27.71 crore, and the company is a subsidiary of the Times Internet Limited. Hence, the company is not a small company as defined under section 200, defined under section 2, clause 85 of the Companies Act. Therefore, the provision of the imposing lesser penalty under section 446B of the Companies Act is not applicable to this company. Accordingly, in exercise of the power under section 454 subsection 3 of the Companies Act, ROC imposed penalty as under. On the company, for the first default, there is delay of the 101 days in filing MJT 14. On the company, that is a 10,000 minimum penalty or 100 per day for 101 days. That is the total penalty calculated at 20,100. And on the 3 director officer in default, that is the total penalty 20,100 per each of the officer. On if officer in default, there is a total 80,400 for the delay of the 101 days. And this is the, in second case, there is delay of the 1 day. In this case, there is the 10,000 minimum penalty imposed on the company plus 1 day penalty, 10,100 on the company and 10,100 on each of the officer in default. That is 40,400 for the 1 day default. And ROC direct that they shall pay the penalty amount in respect of the each event mentioned above from their own sources through MCA portal within 60 days from the date of the receipt of the order. Company needs to file INC 28 as per the provision of the Act, attaching a copy of the adjudication order along with the payment challans. Where default is committed during 2016 in filing MJT 14, is directed to file compounding application for the offence under section 441 of the Act by filing compounding application in the format with all the details in the given below. And in case of the appeal, prefer appeal, then file appeal within 60 days from the date of the passing of the adjudication order. This is the updation from the MCA side. Thank you so much for watching this update.